Now I will present you really briefly the Innovine project. So I think it's better to spend more time on the result, because after my speech, Stefano and Vittorio will be presenting the result. So it's more interesting than spending too much time on the project. So Innovine project is much bigger than Wine Network. It's really a very large project. And the total cost of the project is 8.5 million euros, and it's funded through the FP7 programs. So it will last for 4 years, and it started in 2013. 20 partners are involved in the project, and so they belong to 7 European countries. And one of the originality of the program is that the consortium is composed of private companies, of wineries, and of a research center. It's something very interesting. So experimental fields are carried out in Mediterranean, Atlantic, and continental climates. And so the aim of the project is to improve competitiveness in European wine countries in the context of climate change and social pressure to reduce the use of pesticides. So you can see on the map all the partners involved in the project. So the project is structured around 5 different technical parts, what we call in project jargon work packages. So I will go very quickly. So the first one, which is coordinated by Sergio from the University of Bordeaux, aims at investigating the effect of vineyard practices on berry quality. So it's mainly aroma composition and phenolics in the context of climate change. So the second one aims at designing optimized vineyard practices to reduce herbicide. So several strategies are implemented, such as the use of resistant varieties, optimization of pesticide implication, biodiversity manipulation, or canopy manipulation. So this is coordinated by Stefano Poni from the Università Cattolica del Sacro Cuore, and Stefano will be presenting after the speech the main results obtained in this work package. So the third part of the project aims at exploring the genetic diversity in grape wine in order to identify novel sources for powdery mildew, downy mildew, and black rot resistances. So it's coordinated by Reinhard Topfer from the Julius Kahn Institute in Germany. So the fourth part of the project is coordinated by Montse Torres. She's from one of the largest winery in Spain. You must have heard about it, Torres. And so this part of the project is really focused on field trials. And so the aim is to test innovative viticulture practices in field, in industrial conditions. So work package number 5 deals with the DSS, so this is Decision Support Systems. So it's coordinated by Vittorio Rossi, who will be presenting also some part of the research obtained in this work package. So the DSS are focused on the management of abiotic stresses, on the control of pests and diseases, and the management of wine canopy. And I just would like to tell a few words about dissemination and technology. We are responsible at IFV of this work package, and for us it's very important. I told you before, when I was speaking about the Wine Network project, Europe really wants the knowledge to transfer quickly between research organisms and wine growers, so that's why this package is very important. So we develop a multi-language website with all the contents are translated in French, in English, in Italian, in Spain, and also Portuguese, at least for just a limited part of the website. We send every year a newsletter, presenting the results of the project, and so it's sent to more than 40,000 addresses across Europe. We also use a social network, so we are responsible at IAV for this work package. And if you want to learn more about the project, I invite you to visit the website. The address is innovine.eu, and so you will be able to subscribe to our yearly newsletter or to our RSS feeds. So thanks for your attention.